See some of the old tiles. Oh no, it's corrugated iron, but yeah, see some of the old workings here. A lot of this work is quite childish in a way, which is great. Busan Cultural Village. Oh, okay. A full English breakfast cafe. So if we went down this little street here, this would take us to where we started. That would take us down there. But let's keep going. We will end up very close to where we started. Joyce, nice to see you. Totoro, yeah, he's big, isn't he? Yeah. Suzanne, awesome, John. We're in the painted village, the Jamun painted village here. You can see one of the old. It's opposite on the opposite side of the street is the largest hanok village in Korea. There's between some people say 700, some people say 900 old houses, and they're beautiful. They're really beautiful. I'm hoping to be able to take a walk around there later today. But we're going to be doing the bridge next, and we will start in the hanok village with that. And that will be my last perfect place. And it is special. The province was one of the three great areas of Korea in the old days, one of the dynasties. So special, great for food. Oh, okay, yeah, Mo. This is me and Mo. Beautiful place. I'm doing the same walk that I did on YouTube, Mo, so you're probably going to get a double dose of everything now. And rooftop gardens are a little bit different here. Look at them. So they make use of space. Monica, fantastic. Nice to see you. The old hanok roof here. There you go. You're seeing some tiles. And the way at the end of the roof, it curves up to the sky. We are going to take this road here, but first of all, we're just going to have a little look around the corner. Because this is a new hanok that's being built. It's going to be a guest house. And it's really, it might be completed. It's gorgeous, look. But this is the new style. So pretty much the same as the old ones, the tiles. Oh, man, vacuuming. Oh, that's good to see a man with vacuum cleaner. They're pretty gorgeous. Beautiful. So and if you want a nice guest house, this is the address here. Jamandong Eagle. Old modern. Yes, yeah. which is great. So it doesn't go any further, I discovered, from here. So I hope you've enjoyed this. There's probably a lot more to the village than than meets the eye, than has met my eye, I'm sure. But see, new roof here. Otherwise, because these old buildings were all built with wood and plaster, cement. So we'll go this way. And of course, Korean houses all have, Lynn, thank you so much, wow. Korean houses on hanok, yeah, all have heated floors and wooden. So they had to develop special methods for heating. It's called ondol, so it goes underneath the wooden floor. And I mean, a lot of countries now have heated floors, don't they? Sweet home. But they developed it like thousands of years ago. And they needed to be warm in winter and cool in summer. So they developed a special system that worked, but was also a little bit dangerous because the houses were wooden. Oh, that's a shadow there running across. Sorry, well, I'll move down. We might get a better look from this side. Pretty endless. Hadrian, thank you so much. Wow. So that walking down that way will take us down to the busy road where we started. Oh, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much. Wow. We've just got a few minutes left. So this is a good way to go, just springing around. Past there's a nice cafe here. There's also an orange pussycat. Camillo, awesome. Nice to see you. I don't know what that symbol on the roof is. Sorry, Debbie. I don't know. It could be like a marker for the area. Yeah, the seats, I know. There's a couple of little chaps up on here. Louise, thank you so much. Wow, this is awesome. Kiwi girl here in South Korea, only until Wednesday. And then we're off to Japan. Oh, he's still here. We're coming up to him. I'll be there until the end of November, NC. I'm making the most of the months before it gets busy in New Zealand. So, and then it's shaping up to be a busy summer. Lots of travels. Here's our little pussycat. He might be shy. Hello, Kit Kat. He's got breakfast or lunch. Hello. Hello. Yeah, cute, isn't he? I love orange cats. I had an orange cat once. Its name was Moon. Yes, you're cute. Oh, we got another one come out to see us. Whoa. Hello, kitty cat. Tariq. Fantastic. Oh, did you speak to us? He gave us a little meow. Whoa. Hello, kitty cat. I always find Korean cats look a bit scrawny. Might be old, yeah. And there's a few, last night I saw a few wild alley cats as well, a few wild ones. Yeah, I think, and also probably eat a lot of... Meow, yeah. He's got a scratching post, look. It's a nice cafe here. A little bit more art as we go down the hill. And, oh yes, there's another persimmon tree right beside me, but that's okay.